we're going to be doing Lesson 712, Decimal Number Stories.
Shopping at the stock-up sale. 1. Use the stock-up sale posters to solve the number story. Show how you solve the problem. Jeff bought 5 toothbrushes and 1 tube of toothpaste. What was the total cost? Blank dollars.
All right, so let's pull up these posters. You can do that by going to the activity resources. Pull up poster 1. See if it's on there. Our toothpaste is, so 5 or more sale. All right. He only got 1 tube of toothpaste, so it will be $1.39 for the, I'm going to put TP for toothpaste. All right, let's look at the other activity kit poster, number 2. Toothbrushes. It says they're $1.38, but if you buy 5 toothbrushes, they're only $1.13, so they're going to be $1, $1, $1.13 for the toothbrushes. We know we have 5 of those. So one way that you could set this up is that we could take 5 times 1.13, and that would be the same as doing 5 times 1 and 1300ths. And to do that, all we would have to do is take 5 times 1 plus 5 times 13 over 100, and then we would get 5 here. We took 5 times 13. What do we get? We get 65 over 100. So our answer would be, for the toothbrushes, would be 5 and 65 over 100. But we have to remember to add the toothpaste. And so it's $1.39. So that would be the same as 1 and 39 over 100, because it takes 100 pennies to equal $1. So that's a way you could think about it. And so let's add these together. And what do we get? So if we had 65 plus 39, we get 104 over 100. And then if we add 5 plus 1, we get 6. But that's not the way that we should write this answer. Let's try to simplify it. Let's write it up here. So I have 104 over 100, so I can take 1 whole out of that, and my 6 turns into a 7. And so then what is 104 minus 100? Yep, it would be 4 over 100. But now we need to write this as a decimal. So to write that as a decimal, we would have 7 and our 4 is over on hundreds, so we need to make sure we put our 4 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to put a 0 here. And then there's my 4. All right, let's try the next one. Mr. De La Garza pays for 8 boxes of tissue with a $5 bill. How much change does he get? Let's see how much it costs in our posters. Tissues cost 73 cents, but if you buy 5 or more, you pay 57 cents. So he bought 8 boxes, so that's more than 5. So 0, 5, 7. All right. So he's going to be paying, we found out 0. All right. Mr. De La Cruz pays for 8 boxes of tissues with a $5 bill. How much change does he get? So we found out that it's going to be 57 cents. And so 0.57 would be the same as 57 hundredths and we want to do that 8 times. So we need 8 groups of 57 hundredths. And what would that equal? Yeah, that would equal 456 hundredths. It'd be 456 hundredths. All right, and then we're going to turn this $5 right here into 500 hundredths. And we're going to subtract that 456 hundredths. And we get 44 hundredths. Right, and so 44 hundredths looks like this. All right, I will let you guys try this one on your own.